If you're new here, my name's Bianca and I quit my full-time marketing job just over a year ago to recover from burnout, think about what I want to do with my life, and it's been quite the roller coaster since. You might know me from my videos on Instagram and TikTok where I talk about things to do, stories, and people in Melbourne, plus a bunch of travel stuff on the side. But this week is really exciting because we're on the Mornington Peninsula. A few of my friends and I are turning 30 this year, so we're on a little bit of a 90th birthday road trip. We're going to explore a bunch of different places on the Mornington Peninsula. Some of them are underrated spots that you might not have heard about yet. Let's go. What are you most looking forward to about this weekend?
I think dinner tonight will be fun.
Ooh, what are you looking forward to most this weekend?
Probably the sunset tonight.
Yes.
And just bumming around, to be honest.
Yeah. What am I looking forward to? Just spending time together, being intentional. Before we get started into anything, we are going to give you a house tour.
Hello.
Oh, hi. Can I ask you 72 questions?
You sure can.
Come on in.
In here we have a stunning dining table, lots of natural lighting. And then in here, I actually have not been in this room, but
Room one.
bedroom one.
Okay. Joanne, you're really good
And
at
then
this.
to this side, you've got bedroom 2, dreamy wallpaper. We love that. And then in here, we have the bathroom. Very coastal, very beachy.
It's in this door.
To your right here, we have the kitchen and my favorite, an island bench. We love a good island bench.
Not only is it very couchable, we also have views for days. Our last room, we have a little ensuite. We have a walk-in robe.
A walk-in wardrobe.
Yes. And then we have another bathroom. Very
Wait, you
aesthetic.
could fit let's use Joanne for size. So you could fit like 9 Joannes.
We have a little clothesline.
Ooh.
I will not use it.
And can you give them like reference for the size? How many Joannes can you fit in here?
Probably 18. 3 by 6.
Oh no.
It's okay.
Okay.
We will end our house tour here on our favorite island bench.
So we're now at Murray's Lookout. Some people think that you should go to Arthur's Seat Eagle at golden hour for sunset on the Mornington Peninsula, but this spot, Murray's Lookout, is actually a really great spot. So check out some of the views that we've got at golden hour.
I would say it's a very underrated spot. You get the same views with more privacy and you can enjoy it without having to feel the crowds.
What's your review of Murray's Lookout?
This is stunning. It's just breathtaking views. It's super quiet and peaceful. Look at it. It speaks for itself.
I like it a lot. We're back home now, and guys, you have to look at what Joanne made.
And it's not finished.
Oh, okay, don't look.
You can look at it now.
Whoa!
It is strawberry cream cake with raspberries on top.
Yum. How long did it take you to make?
A little while.
Thank you, Joanne.
Hope you like it.
I love it.
Happy birthday to you. Hip hip hooray. Hip hip hooray. Hip hip hooray.
Will it hold? Look at that cross section. There's some good structural integrity there. Nice. Cool.
That's a cute photo.
Thank you. Cheers. Good structure. See that, Joanne? Good slappability. We have this thing that is like a Polaroid camera, but you can print it instead. So we've chosen a photo and then now we're gonna print it. Ready? Whoa, that's so cute. I really like this one. This is our scrapbooking box. This is... Anyway, this is our scrapbooking box. Yeah. So we got lots of little glue and things like this, stickers, and then a scrapbook album. We can be like, today we did this and today we ate cake. How are we feeling, like what happened this month? I was thinking we just put it in a time capsule. So like this box is a time capsule so we can look back at it.
It's permanent. Ta-da!
Cute. Show it. Day one. This was the finished product. Good morning. It's 31 degrees at the moment. We were initially going to go to Port Nepean National Park, but that was going to be, I think, like a 3.5 hour walk out in the roasting sun. So we were going to be out in a frying pan. I've done that walk and it's really nice. So Bushrangers Bay, I checked on Google Maps, it's going to be 45 minutes. It hugs the coast of the Mornington Peninsula. On one side you'll have the land side, but on the other side you'll also see these sweeping views of beautiful basalt cliffs. So it's going to be a really good morning. Any day where you get to start your day moving your body, getting out there in nature, smelling the fresh air is a good day in my book. So it's going to be a good one. Are we ready for a hike? Yeah. So we're starting our morning. We're going to see if we can find the lighthouse. Let's see how tall this lighthouse is by comparing how many Joannes. There's a rock pool over there, so we're just climbing some rocks to try and see if we can see it. We should put our handprints.
This is worse than maintenance.
We've just finished our hike and we've come back from brunch. Last night we got these cotton candy grapes. We liked them so much that we bought 2 more today. Yummy. Cheers. Mel has come up with this great idea. We've taken snaps from our hike this morning and she's drawing these cute little lines. Oh, I love them. Show me.
You are my happy.
Oh, that's cute.
So cute.
Good morning. Last night was pretty crazy. We had some hectic winds. Look what happened to our chair. It fell over and it went all the way. We're gonna put Mr. Chair out back to his rightful home. There you go. Do you feel okay now? It's our last day. We're going home now. I hope you enjoyed this weekend's vlog. Thank you so much for watching. If there's anything else you want to see, let me know. If you have enjoyed these videos, you might like this summer's day in Melbourne vlog right here. I look forward to hanging out, and I'm sure I'll see you very soon. Bye.